Hey guys, so welcome back. We've had some really great success with the carburetor and getting that put together and back on the car. Took it around the block for a couple of spins. It's really purring nice after our carb clean from the last video. So I've got all that put together, and I've actually put the air cleaner on as well too. So I'll show you how easy this thing starts up. Just like that. Boy, oh boy, does that purr nice.
You can see that's nice and clean now.
So cool. Let's get into cleaning up the engine compartment. And I've got a new distributor cap, rotor, a couple other things. We'll start doing some work on the car and just keep moving forward with general maintenance, get caught up, get this thing ready for the road. Stay tuned. So as we're gonna get into the cleaning of the motor, I've got some products from Super Clean that we're gonna use to clean the engine compartment and also underneath the chassis on the motor and everything else. Lots of grime underneath there. So this stuff really cuts well in taking off the grease. But for the engine compartment, we're gonna start with this foaming spray and use that to lodge a lot of the dirt out of the back deck lid and hit some of the parts of the motor to get some of that grime off. So let's get at it. Okay guys, we've got the motor and deck lid all cleaned up, and boy, oh boy, was there a lot of grease and crud and all kinds of other stuff. So man, you can start to see some of the details of the engine. There's quite a bit of overspray from paint work and, you know, some paint flicking off as well too, as to be expected. But yeah, it's just peeling another layer off the onion to get into making this you know, definitely something that's workable. The plan is eventually to drop the motor out of this thing as well too and reseal it. So I did buy a new distributor cap, so I'll get that put on along with the rotor and see if that improves our starting, just to make sure that it turns over nicely. It was a little bit of a challenge getting it restarted after cleaning the motor off, so I don't know if water got into stuff, but I don't know. Let's see if we can make that improvement. Okay, so I got a WBE, which is an aftermarket distributor cap and a rotor. So hope these two match up. So let's get that old one off and start switching it around. And I don't think that there's anything specifically different on this. So. This was the first easiest thing, is to try to bolt stuff right. Okay, the fit is there. What about the rotor? A little bit different design. Fits nicely. Okay, let's start it up. Okay, so we've got things wrapped up. I've got the new distributor cap in. The other thing I did as well too is I put in a new coil, as I bought a new Bosch coil for about 35 bucks. The old coil, original, probably kind of tired. it was just looking kind of beat up as well, and I just figured I would do the entire ignition system. The other thing I've got to do too is I've got some a new set of points and a condenser on order. The points were on back order, so hopefully those will come in soon, and I'll swap those out together with, I'll probably time it with a timing light. But yeah, I mean, it's literally, I can notice the difference when you go to actually turn the motor over. It's just there. It feels stronger, better, and yeah, that's what we really want to do, is have something that's really, really repeatable. So hope you guys liked today's video. Leave some comments below if you like. Subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications for the next video that's coming up. I think we're going to tackle doing more degreasing. I'm very, very pleased with how Super Clean did a good job with taking that part. So we've got some more product, and I think we're going to take care of some of the undercarriage here. I've got some valve cover gaskets to do the valve adjustments, axle boots, all kinds of stuff to do on this thing. We're just getting our teeth into it as well. So thanks again for watching, and hope you enjoy all the content. Peace.